Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send voice messages on TikTok. Sending voice messages on TikTok is simple, but keep in mind it's not available everywhere yet. This feature is rolling out regionally and requires users to be 16 or older. First, make sure you allow TikTok access to your microphone. To send a voice message, open a direct message with a friend you follow and press and hold the microphone button at the bottom right of your chat. Your message will automatically send when you release the button or when you reach the 60-second limit. You can delete a message within about 3 minutes after sending, but after that, it's permanent. Remember, this feature depends on your region, age, and permissions, so make sure all requirements are met to see the microphone icon and start sending voice messages easily. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.